Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to again in our another video lecture class. Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we'll revise our chapter number 9, MS Excel functions. Okay, this is one of the important chapter in your book. So don't waste your time. Open your book. It's page number 85. Chapter number 9, Formatting in MS Word. The first question, what is MS Excel? MS Excel is an application software in which mathematical calculations are done. You can do any kind of calculation or any kind of mathematical calculation by using this software. Okay? You have to learn how to do this mathematical calculation by using the MS Excel formula or functions. Okay, today we will not go through this book. We will revise this chapter by using a worksheet. Look on this worksheet. Okay, I will provide you this worksheet. Don't worry, so that you can practice this worksheet at your home. Look on the worksheet. What is written here? By using MS Excel function, find the total, average, maximum, minimum number of every student. Now, look on those numbers. This 79 is the number of English, 82 is the number of math, 76 on ICT is obtained by real. 56, 86, 84 are obtained by Raj, and 59, 65 and 92 are the number of Rohim. And look on this question mark box. What is written here? Total mark. You have to find out the total mark of Riya. Okay, you have to add these three numbers. In the next box, average mark. You have to find out the average mark of Riya. You have to calculate the average of these three numbers. Same process, you have to find out the total mark of Raj. You have to calculate the average mark of Raj. Then next box, you have to calculate the total mark of Rohim. And in the next box you have to calculate the average mark of Rohit. Clear? Then look on the next question mark. Highest mark. You have to calculate the highest mark, or you have to find out the highest mark on English. Then you have to calculate the lowest mark on English. In the next box, question mark box, you have to find out the highest mark in math. You have to calculate the lowest mark in math. Then you have to calculate the highest mark in ICT. And you have to also calculate on the lowest mark in ICT. Skip those boxes. Okay, we don't need those boxes. You have to just fill up only the question mark box. Now, one more question. One more thing, everyone asks me a question frequently that we can use calculator for this, and also we can easily find out the highest always just using our eye. Okay, then why we need to learn this MS Excel function, right guys? Now my answer will be, look on this sheet. There are only 3% number is given. Okay, just only 3% number is given. But if I give you the number of 1000 students, then what will you do? Yes, you can use calculator also in that time, but it will take you more time. Okay, to save your time, you have to use MS Excel function. In every office, every institution and every company now using the MS Excel software to do their mathematical calculation. Okay, now how to do this one? You have to open MS Excel software. Look on my mouse pointer, type here to search, click on this box. You have to write Excel, EXCEL. Open this software. Okay guys, this is our MS Excel software. and this blank page is called our worksheet. Okay, now we'll copy these things in this worksheet. Okay, one by one. First, it is given here student name. I'll write okay. Now if you want to maximize this window, you have to click on this number, then go to the right corner. It will show this plus icon. Okay, now press on your left mouse and maximize this box. Okay, next one is your English. Next one is your math. You have to fill up this full box in this box. I already done this one. Okay, this box and this box is fully same. Now listen to me. You have to find out the total mark of Priya. You have to calculate these three numbers. How? Using MS Excel function. What is the function name of total? The function name of to find out the total mark or any kind of summation, you have to write sum. Okay, the function name is SUM. Then how to write the function? You have to put the equal sign first. Then you have to write SUM. Then first bracket, you have to write the first cell number of this number. Okay, again you have to write the cell number of the first number. The first number is 79. You have to write the cell number. How to find out the cell number? Look, first you have to write the column name. Column number is V. Then you have to write the number of row. The row number is 3. You have to write B3. Okay, then put the clone sign. Then you have to write the cell number of last number. Last number is 76. Okay, 76. The cell number of 76 is first column number, then row number. Column number is D and row number is 3. Then you have to write D3. First bracket close. Press enter. 237 is the total mark of Priya. Then you have to find out the average mark of Priya. The function name of average is average. You have to write equal sign first, then average full form. Then first bracket, same process, you have to write the first number. What is the first number of Priya? 79. Is the cell number is B3. You have to write B3, then clone the last number. This is the last number. Everyone think that this one is his last number. Sorry, this one is her last number. But no, this one is her last number, 76. The cell reference of 76 is D3. D3. Then close the bracket, press enter. Is 79 in the average mark. Same process, you have to find out the total mark of Raj. Same function name, total means sum. Then first bracket, what is the first cell number is B, column number is V and row number is 4. You have to write B4. Then clone, what is the last cell number? D4. It's D4. Small letter, capital letter, doesn't matter. Press enter. Same process, average mark, equal sign average, first bracket, what is the first number of Raj? D4. And what is the last number of Raj? D4. D4, clone D4. Okay, you have to use clone sign, it's mandatory. Press enter. Then next one, equal sign. What is the first number or first sum? What is the first number of Rohim? Is B5. Clone. What is the last number of Rohim? Is B5. You have to write B5. Enter. Same process, average. First number is B5 and last number is B5 of Rahim. Press enter. This is the 72 is the average mark of Rahim. Now the highest number in English is 79. We already see that. You can see that 79 is the highest number of English, but we'll calculate using the MS Excel function. You have to put equal sign, highest number means maximum number. You have to write the function name max, max, then first bracket. What is the first number of English is 79, and the cell number of 79 is B, then 3, B3. Clone. What is the last cell number of English? What is the last cell number of it? Last cell number is 59. Number is 59, but the cell number is B5. You have to put B5. Press enter. 79 is the highest mark. And what is the lowest mark? We can saw that one is 56. You have to put equal sign first. Then what is the function name for the lowest number? Is the minimum number. You have to write min in the short form. Then first bracket. What is the first number? 79. And what is the cell number? B3. And what is the last number? 59. What is the cell number? B5. Then you have to put B3, clone, B5. Press enter. Okay. In this way you have to fill up these boxes. Here the first number will be C3 and last number will be C5. Here the first number will be B3 and last number will be B5. Okay. In this way fill up this form. Practice this digital sheet in your home. Okay. That's for today. See you in the next class, guys. Allah Hafiz.